Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand how to find 8-point DFT of a given sequence using matrix method, which is same as linear transformation. So here they have given the sequence x of n is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. For this sequence, we need to find 8-point DFT using matrix method. We know xn is equal to wn into xn. Here n is equal to 8 because they are asking us to find 8-point DFT. For this, we need to write 8 cross 1 matrix. For wn term, we need to write 8 cross 8 matrix. And for small xn, we need to write 8 cross 1 matrix. So here we have written the matrix. For xn, since it is 8-point DFT, we will write 8 values from x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. For wn, we need to write 8 cross 8 matrix, which should consist of 64 terms. To write this matrix, we understood with our previous two problems that we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So W8 we have written since n is equal to 8. So to the power of 0, because 0 multiplied with 0 it is 0, 0 multiplied with 1, 2, 3 and all these values it will be 0. That's why in the first row we have written W8 to the power of 0. In the first column, again 1 multiplied with 0, 2 multiplied with 0, all these values multiplied with 0, it will be 0. That's why we have written W8 to the power of 0 in the first column. Now to write this row, we need to multiply 1 into 0, it is 0, 1 into 1, it is 1. Likewise, we multiply the values and we will write the power of all the W term. After writing 8 cross 8 matrix, we can write matrix for xn, which is 8 cross 1 matrix. So we have written x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. After writing this matrix, we need to fill the twiddle factor values. To write the twiddle factor values, we can use two methods. In the first method, we can go with the formula method, where we know Wn is equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n. Also we know that Wn to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Using this, we can write W8 to the power of 0 is also equal to 1. To find this value, W8 to the power of 1, we can write it as e to the power of minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1. So for this, we can write cos 2 pi by 8 minus j sin 2 pi by 8. So keep the calculator in complex mode and radians mode. Substitute this value, you will get 0.707 minus 0.707 j. So in the same way, we can calculate it for W8 to the power of 2. So that can be written as e to the power of minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2. This we can write it as cos 4 pi by 8, because 2 into 2 it is 4, 4 pi by 8. So that's why we have written it as cos 4 pi by 8 minus j sin 4 pi by 8. So if you calculate using the calculator, you will get minus j. Likewise, you can find all the values of twiddle factor. This is the first method. In the second method, we can consider the unit circle. Since it is 8-point DFT, we can divide the unit circle into 8 points. So we have divided this unit circle into 8 points, and for each point we have written the values. We know on the real axis this value will be 1, and towards left hand side this value will be minus 1. In the imaginary axis, here it will be j, and towards this end it will be minus j. For this point, the value is 0.707 minus 0.707 j. This we have already calculated here, right? Towards this point, the value will be minus 0.707 plus 0.707 j. So in the same way, this point it is 0.707 plus 0.707 j. So the opposite point, it will be minus 0.707 minus 0.707 j. After writing these values, we can write the twiddle factor. So we can start with this point. We can write it as w8 to the power of 0. So we can move in the clockwise direction. So we will write w8 to the power of 1, then w8 to the power of 2, w8 to the power of 3, w8 to the power of 4, w8 to the power of 5, w8 to the power of 6, w8 to the power of 7. After writing 7, we will repeat the values here. We will write it as w8 to the power of 8, w8 to the power of 9. Likewise, we will write all the values. So once we write these values, we can easily find out that w8 to the power of 0, w8 to the power of 8, w8 to the power of 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48 will be having the value as 1. So we can fill those values in this matrix. In the same way, for different twiddle factor values, we can identify from this circle and we can fill the matrix. Once we write the twiddle factor value, we will get the matrix like this. After getting the matrix, we need to multiply this matrix with this matrix. So this is the standard twiddle factor value for 8-point DFT. So you can remember these twiddle factor values, or if you don't remember these values, or if you don't remember this matrix, you can use those two methods which we have discussed to find the values, and you can substitute the values. So if you remember the value, once you write the standard matrix, you can directly substitute the values, no need for calculation. So if you don't remember the matrix, you need to go for calculation method, then you need to fill the values here. Once you enter the values of twiddle factor, you need to multiply the first row with this column. So if you multiply those values, so you will get 20. Second row with this column, it will be minus 2 plus 4.82j. Third row with this column, if you multiply, you will get minus 2 plus 2j. Fourth row with this column, it will be minus 2 plus 0.828j. Fifth row with this column, it will be 0. Sixth row with this column, it will be minus 2 minus 0.828j. Seventh row with this column, you will get minus 2 minus 2j. And eighth row with this column, if you multiply, you will get minus 2 minus 4.82j. So finally we can write the 8-point DFT for the given sequence is 20, minus 2 plus 4.82j, minus 2 plus 2j, minus 2 plus 0.828j, 0, minus 2 minus 0.828j, minus 2 minus 2j, minus 2 minus 4.82j. So this is the 8-point DFT for the given sequence. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.